Erokamano Jesse Omondi ne wach nero mabendi wuok godo e Kolwa East kanyakla kod Kisumu East. Kwadhi nyime kaunti nero ma Migori ni project mar Lower Kuja irrigation scheme mayudore e kaunti nero ma Migori koro osechako tich makare. Jopiny makono ero koro wacho ni project makamano ero makoro osechako miyo gi geno mar loko ngimagi e kinde mabiro biro konyogi ahinya e weche motenore kod pur. Kolosi wach makamano ero manager mar Kuja irrigation scheme mano ero migosi Kenneth Ouma owacho ni project makamano ero osechiwo tije mathoth ne jopiny makono kowacho ni gin kod geno ni scheme no ero biro timo maber kaluwore ni jopur mathoth osedonjo e pur kothe mopogore moriwo kanyakla mago iko mago lembe kod maua. Wach mabende nosir koda ka jopur mabende puro ahinya kodhi mar mchele irrigation scheme makamano ero.
I want also to tell the public that the rice that we are producing here is a premium rice of high quality. So we just want to encourage people to be able to come to Nyatike and buy the rice that is being produced here. Actually, the rice is being produced here is of high quality. It's a premium quality rice, which is going to compete favorably with the other producers. We are also my technical team, the agronomists. They are working closely with the farmers so that they improve on the agronomic practices, so that at least the crop has the vigor and the capacity to be able to fight those diseases that may come. We intend to put the entire 3,000 acres, and which we have developed in this block. You know, the entire project area is 19,000 acres. But this block, which we have marked for rice production, is 3,000 acres. So we have we have already done 1,100 acres, which we have already harvested, and the rice it is there in the farmer store. Others, what we've seen in the mill. Here is one of the block that we have developed, and it is under rice production. As you see right now, the crop is at the early tillering stage, and we are putting this block. Which is about 800 acres, and there's another adjacent block that has 640 acres that we want to put within 1 month. So we expect close to about 4,000 tons of paddy rice in the next 4 months.